For an event you've been doing for so long, and you know this question is very generic and cliche, oh, what are you going to do different, what's the plan? But when it comes to longevity, you have to evolve.
Which is right.
How are you going to evolve this year? What's going to happen, Stone? I'm sure you can't tell us everything.
Yeah, but I can touch base on a few
in
things,
terms of excitement for the support you've gotten all over the years, you know, the people you've performed with, how you've put these performances together. What's happening, man? Tell us all about it.
This year is actually, would have been the 9th year, but it's the 7th year because of COVID, 2020 and 2021. And I think, interestingly enough, it's a 7th year, and 7 is complete to me. And 7 became a festival, you know. It's called Ashaiman to the World Festival now because we have inculcated a lot of other things that will rightfully make it, you know, a name as a festival, because there's a sporting activity that's going to be happening on Thursday and Friday.
Oh, wow.
Which health screening that has always been.
Yeah.
There was the cleaning that was going to be done last Saturday, but was actually pulled to combine with the national cleaning you know, agenda that has been. You know, the president launched a program that is cleaning your neighborhood, something around those ends. And so everybody saw me going down there with a whole of Ashaiman. You know, it's not only supposed to be Ashaiman, it's supposed to be a nationwide something. So we moved the cleaning to that day. We added our prowess. Everybody saw me digging the gutters. Yeah. Definitely, as an Ashaiman boy, bro, we do that. We do that. We clean our ends. You know what I mean? Like, so we joined in to make that really loud, so that people also get to understand that there's a need to constantly, you know, keep clean, because cleanliness is next to godliness, and that improves your health. And that notwithstanding, we're going to be doing a sporting events, like I said, on the 1st and 2nd. It's going to have 16 teams with volley. There's a lot of sports, table tennis. Wow. Is it rugby? Is it? It's stones, like, so Thursday and Friday we're going to be in Ashaiman, and then Saturday is the concert itself, you know. And the concert itself, this is an opportunity I get to perform songs that I may not really have enough time as build. When I say build, like as build artists to perform, you know, because usually you only have some time to perform, and giving me an hour plus will not actually be able to contain all of my tunes. So this year we're gonna make sure that we do, touch base on the songs. You know, the fact that we come back and gather as a family and take it from day one to now, doing it for the hood where we come from, is actually special. It's really done. It's seldom done where we come from. Yeah. You know, and that tells you there's a lot of investment that goes into it from the artist's perspective, a lot of energy and time, and support also comes from a lot of individuals and entities to make sure that the program becomes a success. You know, so this 3rd of September, and this is the first time we're doing it a bit early in September in the right season. So I ask everybody to come out, pull up, come and experience my city, Ashaiman. You know, it's right on the edge of the motorway. It's going to be there. Big festive season. Come and witness the sports activities also. This is actually a festival.
It is.
It is.
It
so
is.
On the 7th edition, it's called a festival, and that's the difference, basically. And it's going to ride on to be that festival that we've always enjoyed from here.